Hey everybody, you can see today's video is a little bit different. I have in front of me a JLab USB microphone. I've been making screen recording videos lately and I found that the headset microphone quality was just not there. So I went out and I looked for a inexpensive microphone and I found this on bestbuy.com. Normally is $50. Now it's $10 off. It's only $40. All right, let's look at the box first. Okay, 2 directional pattern modes, quick mute, volume controls, Windows and Mac OS, compact studio quality. On the side here, individual calls, gaming, streaming, voiceover, podcasting, ASMR, vlogging. And so this has different modes, preset modes for what you're going to use it for. I'm going to be using it for voiceover. And here are some more features. And on the back, professional grade recording, 2 directional pattern modes, control your recording, plug and play, hopefully. And there's a mute button, easy on off, and a 5/8 inch rotating mounting stand and aluminum folding. It's an aluminum folding stand. So let's see, on this side it's just a picture, so let's open it up. Very nice packaging, by the way. They put a lot of thought into this, and probably some of the money you're paying for this microphone is for the packaging. And so let me just take this out. This is going to be the USB cable and the quick start guide. All right. So there's the USB cable and the quick start guide. And here's the microphone itself. That's going to be the stand. That is the microphone. And that looks like is part of a stand. So let me put the box away. Okay. I'm going to assume that this screws on like this. Tighten that up, open up the legs. I'm not sure if that blue foam is supposed to be in there. I guess it is. So there is a hole right there. So there you go. So, all right, there you go. That is the microphone and the stand. And on the back are some of those functions it talked about. This is the volume. You can plug in a headset. This is the mute unmute button. And there's the USB connection. So I look forward to using this. And hopefully I will get better sound quality in my voiceover videos. Thanks for watching this video. Everybody likes unboxing videos, that's why I made this. So thanks for watching. Drop a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.